All right. Hi, my name is Jerry Brown, and this is my video walkthrough of my Rails project for the Flatiron School Software Engineering program. Um, my project is it's called Flatiron Project Mode, and it essentially is a social platform for students both in my cohort and in other cohorts at Flatiron School to share their projects as well as related resources that they've created. So like GitHub repos or blog posts, things of that nature. The log.homepage here, you'll see it just shuffles through all of the projects that have been uploaded onto the platform. So we'll go ahead and sign up and get started here. There's this option to continue with Google. So if I wanted to, I could sign up with one of my Google accounts. I'll sign up here normally. The email field, so I have to pick, hopefully that one's not taken. The email field is validated along with a lot of other fields on this form and other forms. So the emails must be unique, so you can have the same email address as anyone else. Go ahead and select this photo. Here at the cohort step, so it asks me for my cohort. If I didn't see my cohort here in the list, I have the option to create a new one here. And if I were to fill out this form, it would populate a new cohort item, which future students could select from, or could select. So I'll select mine, go ahead and sign up. Awesome. So now that I'm signed up here, it welcomes me and asks me to get started by creating a project. So because I'm a new user, I'm prompted right away to create a project. Normally, if you were to just log in, you obviously wouldn't be prompted each time. So for this demo, I'm gonna go ahead and create something fake here, demo project. Great, I have some hipster Ipsum text to pull from for my description. Let me get a couple paragraphs here. All right, awesome. For the module, I'm gonna go ahead and select Rails since this is the Rails section. And for each of these links, I also have some information here to use. Medium. The two first links weren't mine, but this dog name's GitHub repo is. Great, okay. So now that I've created a project, I'm taken to that project's show page. You'll see it's mainly focused around the YouTube video based on the link that I provided. All videos will autoplay if they're the only video on the page, but they'll be muted here, as you can see. Cool, so I have my title and description here along with some relevant links. So this will take me to all of the Rails projects, and these two links will be GitHub and blog posts, so specific to this project. Because it is also my project, I have the option to edit or delete here, which if I was viewing someone else's account, I would not have those abilities. Okay, so on the logged in homepage, you'll see it is curated specific to this account, so based on your classmates. So because we know which cohort you're in, we know who your classmates are, and you might be more interested in seeing those projects, so we throw them up top here. You'll see this is still demo data, so a lot of the links might be the same. So the next section is popular projects, so this is based on like count. Great. So further down here, it is broken up by modules. So the next section will be the CLI projects. So this is all the CLI projects, and this is ordered by default based on time posted. So the most recent ones will be shown first, and then they're only the first four shown on this homepage, and then you'll have to see all to go to the index page to see the rest of them. Sinatra projects, Rails projects, and then JavaScript and final projects will be the last sections here. Great. So, a few other highlights on this page. You'll see that I have the ability to quickly like a project. So I can click on this thumb, and like count has increased along with my photo being the person. If I were to click it again, it would simply undo my like. Great, and then you can also click on comments. So here I can see I was a commenter here. And if I were to add a comment from the homepage, so let's try that out here. So I can comment on Natalia's post, and Once the comment's posted, I'm taken to Natalia's show page, project show page, which will show my comment as well as previous ones. I guess I left one earlier. And I can go ahead and like the post also from here. So you'll see the like count just increased, and I am now on the modal that shows who liked it. And so since I have both comments, I'm the only user that shows up here. And also view my cohort. So this is my cohort's show page specific to the people in my class. So this is just simply an index of all of the projects posted from people who I'm in the same class with. So I can view those here. If I were really interested in one specific module, I can click on one of these pills icons and it would take me to the show page for that module. So this is all of the Sinatra projects, and I can go ahead and check those out. I could also add a Sinatra project straight from this page. And so different from adding a project normally, this will actually know which module your project's going to be associated with. And it has updated this form so that we no longer have the option to select a module because it already knows it. So I can go ahead and add, some like Sinatra project. I'll grab some of this same text here. Great. And created. Cool. So it has created my Sinatra project with the associated Sinatra pill. And now on my project show page, I have 2 projects. Great. So if I can also go ahead and check out my profile. So this profile will house a carousel of all of my projects. And so again, this is demo data. So these 2 videos are this, I'm going to go ahead and log out here. Log into the test account that I've been using. Okay. Great. And so if we were to go to the show page here, another feature, if you hadn't noticed, is a lot of the images will default to this emoji if you don't provide your own image. So it's optional to provide an image, but we'll just give you this default. Great. And then so yeah, here on my show page, I have my 2 projects. Great. Thank you very much for following along.